Hey folks, it's a 15 Dodge Ram 1500. It's an ST Tradesman double cab 4x4. This is a 3.6 liter VVT motor. It's a reverse sensing system, backup camera, factory trailer tow pack, windows lock, tilt, cruise, CD, hands-free calling, and I believe satellite radio. No rust on this truck. It's solid and straight. Nice set of Mastercrafts on her. And the inside is perfect. It is not abused. It is not worked. It's a nice one, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this lady. And we're going to start the down payment on this 4x4 at $995. This is a 2015, folks. And she's a nice one. Guaranteed credit approval, $995 starting down payment. Take a look at how nice this truck is inside. It's like new. Come on down, DasCleveland.com. Get you several trucks in stock right now. See you soon.